After the success of their pilot project, AGT Food and Ingredients and Lucent BioSciences are taking the next step in moving to fully commercialized production of Lucent's revolutionary Soileos fertilizer. Joined by NuWave Research, Intent, and Aberhart Ag Solutions, this exciting joint venture project will see the construction of a new manufacturing facility in Rosetown, Saskatchewan, which when completed will produce up to 6,500 tons per year of micronutrient fertilizer and create 25 jobs. The project will help address one of the greatest challenges in modern agriculture, micronutrient deficiency in plant products, by offering a new, more affordable, and more sustainable option to farmers. It's a project that promises benefits not just for farmers, but for the sector as a whole, and the ever-growing number of people and companies in this country that work within it. Through collaboration with AGT Foods in the Supercluster program, companies like Lucent has in 2 short years been able to move from startup to full commercialization of a signature product, Soileos, with a joint venture agreement with AGT Foods in the planned manufacturing facility, proving the power of the innovation cluster approach, the strength of Canada's plant-based food sector, and the potential we have to lead the industry worldwide.